So what's the difference between a website design agency and a freelancer? Well, price, of course, everybody knows that. While that's often true, you do get what you pay for. Hear me out as to why that's the case. It really boils down to three things, and I'd even add a fourth that's kind of like the feather in our cap, so to speak. The first is expertise. A lot of freelancers are really good at like one thing. Maybe they're good at design, maybe they're good at development, maybe they're good content creators, but really it takes all those things to build a great user experience. So at a minimum, a good website is made of good content, very highly functional, and is well designed. Add in that it should be search engine optimized, and you've got 4 unique skills that are needed to collaborate to build a great site. The right agency like ours has experts in each one of those fields as a part of your project. Secondly, the processes and the tools. A reputable company like ours, who's been building websites for now 18 years, has stayed up on the latest and greatest and has honed their craft. So we're not starting with a hammer and nail every time to build a new house. We have the right tools, we carry around a toolbox full of them, and we're trained on how we use those tools to deliver for you. Third, reliability. I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten the phone call, email, text message in the middle of the night. We can't get in touch with our developer that built our website. We really need help. They're often frantic phone calls, and we're taking them and able to help. We've been around for 18 years, like I said, and we have a master key to restore websites, to get access when something's missing, or to empower your team to make the changes that are needed. Well, what's the feather in the cap that I mentioned? It's access. We have access to a powerhouse in the parent publishing company, BNP Media, that owns us. Not only do we have industry thought leaders that are the content strategists and the writers for the brands that we work with, but we know the data. We know exactly which content is resonating with the audiences, and we use that data to build meaningful websites, campaigns, and overall web content. Plus, we've got a ton of reach in using those publications to actively engage the readers. That helps build campaigns that work, and it builds content that connects. So a great website, it requires the right team with the right expertise using the right tools. We'll be here when you need us, and we'll leverage the power in our reach and our communities to help drive success for your project and for your business.